Hey everybody, welcome back to Theater Arts class. So today I will be assigning to you your next fun little assignment slash project for the beginning of the year, which is your superhero project. This is, I think, a very fun project. It ties back into the units that we did in the fall about characterization and creating original character. So I'm going to spend some time explaining via video the assignment so that everyone knows what is expected of them, and then go from there. So if you are in class, you will get a copy of this paper. I'm sorry, if you're virtual, you don't get a copy of this paper, but you will get individual instructions every day. But the way this assignment is structured is that it has these 5 different aspects of the project, and each aspect of the project will be individually graded. And then the last thing will be your presentation, or like your big project grade for the assignment. So every day you'll see that there are, over here, there are different due dates. So this project, I am assigning it today. And then it will be due totally all the way on the 15th, which is next week. So our goal for, let's see, this week, so you will have today and Friday to get it done. Your goal is going to be to get the first step done, which is number 1, the past history story and intro of arch nemesis. So I'm going to read that part of the assignment to you guys so you know what is expected. Number 1, you will now create a superhero character. You must develop a background story of where you were raised, how you got your superpower, how you learned to control your power, and how you came to be where you are today. I also would like you to tell me about your arch nemesis, the one person you have spent your time fighting against. For example, Captain Fanny Pack versus the Fashion Police. Oh my. Brainstorm ideas and just write. Using a piece of notebook paper, write like you would in a journal or a letter to someone. Just write. You will turn this in and check your due dates. So for today in particular, I want you to focus on the brainstorming part of this assignment. So really focus on answering some of those questions that were in the description that you should know about your person, and make sure you really kind of create a story that makes sense. And then Friday, you're going to focus on writing the journal or the letter aspect of this first phase. And this helps us to establish original character. And so one of the things we're going to do today is discuss the difference between a stereotypical character and an original character, because a superhero is both. And so we will talk about that more following up. But after today, moving on to next week, we will be doing other aspects of this project, like creating a current event comic strip, creating a logo and costume design for your superhero, and creating a mask prop. So kind of, the costume that covers up your true identity. And then you will present to your public community. And just to give you an idea of what that is, I will tell you now. It says your super time to super shine. You will present your super self to your public community. You must decide, are you talking to a class of children, a town meeting, maybe after you've stopped your arch nemesis and have been discovered for the first time? And this is the moment you will share your background story, your costume and logo design, and tell us of your current event that happened recently. You will have 3 to 6 minutes to introduce yourself and tell us all about you. So I want to put it out there now that you are going up there and presenting it as if you are the superhero. You are not going to present it as like, oh, hi, I'm Tim and I'm presenting my superhero. My superhero's name is, no. You'll go up there and you'll be like, I am Captain Drama. I don't know. I don't have a name. I have nothing prepared. And you'll play that character and roll with it that way. Okay? So I hope that this is a fun assignment that just eases you guys into the school year and gets you guys being creative, and that you have fun with it. If you have more questions, you can shoot me a message on Schoology, or you can ask me in class. I have had kids in the past that have asked if their main person can be a villain, and then their arch nemesis is like the good guy. I've had other kids in class that have both been different types of superheroes, but they are each other's enemies. So, anything that you can come up with, I am fine if you're bouncing ideas off of each other, but let's remember our social distancing. Let's remember wearing a mask. And let's remember to keep things original, okay? I don't want you to recreate another superhero from another story and then have someone else be like, hey, that's so and so's story, because that just tells me that you did not do something real that was your own. And I want you to be creative and original, okay? Good luck.